How to send Instagram one-time photo. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to send Instagram one-time photo. So for that, all you have to do is just simply open your Instagram account, and after that just simply go to the messenger section from the top right corner of the mobile screen, and from there just simply open any of the chat where you want to send the one-time picture to the person. So for example, I want to send one-time picture to this particular person right here. Just simply open your camera and place it to the object where you would want to click the picture. So for example, I'm clicking the picture of this particular keyboard right here. Just click the picture, and now you can also choose the filters, etc. Just simply, now you have the option where you can select whether you want to send this picture one time or you want the person to allow reply. Just simply tap on this particular left hand side corner where you will see different options. So it says one time view. Now on this option you have to click on send, and this message will be sent to this person where this person can only see this particular photo for only one time. So this is basically how you will be able to send Instagram one time photo. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.